How to join a person that is not friend on Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Here we go. You'll land to the home page. Now go ahead and open any of the game that you want to play together. Once you open the game, scroll all the way down. You're gonna find different options here towards the option of servers. Now over here you're gonna find different sections as private servers, servers my friends are in, and other servers. Here towards the other server section, you're gonna find different options. You can join any of these server. Just click on the option of join. Now you can play a game with those random people who are in the server that you have chosen. If you want to join a specific person on Roblox, as if right now that's not possible, there is no such option within Roblox right now. But you can head towards any of the server and play with random players. Or what you can do is head back. At the top right, you'll find this search box. Just click on it. Now over there, type in the username of the person whom you want to play with. After that person appears, click on it. Head towards the profile of that person and add them. After this person accepts your request, you will be able to play together. Well, that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear if you can join a person that is not friend on your Roblox or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.